We'll guide you through how to use green screen in DaVinci Resolve so you can create those amazing visual effects with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you have your green screen footage ready along with the background you want to use. Drag both the green screen clip and the background clip into your media pool. Then, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, drag the green screen footage onto the timeline and place the background clip on the track directly below it. Now, select the green screen clip on your timeline. Then go to the Color page by clicking the Color tab located at the bottom. Once you're in the Color page, look for the Nodes panel. If it's not visible, you can enable it by clicking on the Nodes button. Right-click on the node and choose the ADD Alpha Output option. You'll see a blue alpha output appear. Connect the blue square from the node to the blue alpha output. This step is crucial for creating transparency in the video. Now, go to the QILLI tool, which looks like an eyedropper icon. Select it and make sure the picker is set to the color range mode. Click on the green screen in your viewer to select that color. You'll notice the green disappears, leaving your subject on the new background. You can fine-tune the key by adjusting the sliders under the Qualifier tab to ensure all green is removed, but your subject remains sharp. Once you're satisfied, go back to the Edit page to review your changes. Play through your timeline to see your subject seamlessly integrated into the new background. That's it. You've successfully used green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.